like it's been like so long, but I haven't been vlogging because it's the summer. I want to enjoy my summer, and also because I have been going through a lot. Like I think my mental health has been so bad this summer. It's bad. I think I need school back, which sounds really crazy, but I low-key need it back. But I'm gonna do a haul from what I got from Target. First thing I got was this juicy color pop. At first I wasn't supposed to get this one. I was supposed to get a different one, but I didn't see the packaging and I didn't know it was different. It looks exactly like this. I might go find my other one so I can show you, because it literally looked exactly like this, but it's not. But I got ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Glossy Lip Oil. I have it on right now. It's clear, like a light pink. Oops. It's a clear light pink. I just overlaid it with my lipstick. I'm sorry, I don't know what it was. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I don't want to butcher. Oh, hi. Okay. Okay, I overlaid it with this. It's like a red, not red, but it's like I overlaid it with this so it could like come out more darker. Put a microphone on to hear better, whatever. But last year I didn't really use, well, I did use a lot of my school supplies, mostly my pencils, but that's like about it. I didn't really use my binder, so I'm going to reuse that this year. Actually, I literally didn't even touch my binder. I literally took it out of my entire bag and I just like stuffed it somewhere. But I actually need to find that. But the only thing I bought were like folders and like extra pencils, because I lost mine because I gave it to people, but it's fine. The first thing I got were these folders. I got 2 of them. Low-key, I didn't realize they had multiple pockets until I checked just now. But you know, fine, extra space. This is what the inside looks like. Oh, I just hit my face. Yeah. Nothing really fancy. I didn't want anything that had like, oh, excuse me. I didn't really want anything that had like exotic designs. I'm more of a basic person. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, I don't want designs on my things. I just want it like simple, just plain color. Okay, next thing I got was a 5-subject notebook, right? Yeah, a 5-subject notebook, because I low-key hate carrying multiple notebooks because I never label any of my things, and I'm just like sitting here like, which notebook is my like math notebook, let's say. So I just got a basic 5 subject notebook. Next, I got Papermate pencils. I got 3. Oh my god, in the store, the 2-pack pencils of this were $8 and the 3-pack was $5. I was so confused. I was just like, why is it more for less? I don't know. I was confused on that, but I got 3 because I'd be losing my pencils a lot and people ask for pencils, and I'm a nice person. I'd be giving them my pencils and they don't give it back, but I'm not doing that this year. If y'all don't have pencils, buy your own. Last thing I got for the school supply section of this haul were just pens. I've never tested this brand at all, so I don't know how they're gonna perform. I'm praying that they perform good, because on here it says high quality. So okay, so I double checked to see if the pens were good, or the pen. I only did the black one. It's like not bold of like black ink like other pens, but it's like not that bad. I would totally use it, because sometimes like the really black ink smudges a lot and I hate that. Okay, next for this haul, just what I needed, aka one thing, deodorant. Next unrelated thing, blind boxes. Yay! I mostly want, looking not really much options. I wish they made Choco Cat. They never make Choco Cat. Honestly, I would be happy with any of them. None of them are really like ugly. I think I would really want this one most of Kuromi and Tuxedo Sam. Okay, what did I get? Look for me. I'm scared. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay. Oh, this feels like Hello Kitty. It is. Oh, she's so cute though. What is this? Oh shoot. Oops. What is this? It kind of reminds me of a loofah. Oh, it's a pina colada. I was like, it looks like a loofah. But it just goes into her hand right there. And there she is. She's actually super cute. Oh, I kind of wish these were keychains though. They're actually so cute though. I want these colorful ones, but I know those colorful ones are not gonna be in here. Okay. What I get? What did I get? Oh, it's Hello Kitty again, isn't it? Oh, it is. I got Hello Kitty twice in a row, but this is the pink version of her. She's holding popsicles. Okay. There she is. Super cute. Kind of didn't wish I got Hello Kitty again, but it's fine. Whatever. Last one. Big Chongus ball. That was nice. There. Oh, hold on. A lot of goodies in this. Look at this. I got matcha latte with karopi. So we got Rise and Shine Tico matcha with karopi on it. That's lucky smart to use karopi as matcha. Oh, sugar cookies. Oh, whipped cream. Oops, I didn't open it good. There's a spoon with karopi on it. Tweezers, I'm guessing for me to use to grab things. Oh my god, there's so much things. Okay, the little plate thing. Oh wow, karopi lily pad, and it has a little karopi cup. That's super cute. So I'll make it tomorrow. I will make it tomorrow. But that's mostly what I got from Target. I didn't really get much because I didn't really need a lot.
Okay, freaking update. It's really hot, but it's super nice here. I think that I enjoy plants than I actually don't realize. Oh my god, wait, look at the ducks. Hold on. But I think I like enjoy plants a lot. I really love them. They're all so pretty, and there's like so many different colored trees and stuff like that that I didn't even know existed. And I just like them a lot. Like they just look so nice and presentable, and I think that's just like why I like them so much because they're so nice. I think what I'll do, I might paint. I might paint them honestly because they're really nice.